Again, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Bala here. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And if you are watching this video as first time, just use the bell icon and subscribe to get regular notification whenever we make video. So again, this video another candlesticks pattern which we are going to discuss here right now. So that is nothing but the last video we discussed about white inside out up. So here we are going to discuss about that is black inside out down. Okay, so that candlesticks pattern, how we are going to make such a profit using that candlesticks pattern, I'm going to discuss in this, and also I'm going to create the scanner to find out that candlesticks pattern that I'm going to discuss here. And when I Google it, I'm not getting such a kind of candlesticks pattern. So but that is what a more powerful candlesticks pattern, that it is forms at the high as well as low. So that is a good opportunity where you are going to make such a great intraday and positional profit. So let's move to the video right now. If you are not subscribed, make subscribe the channel, support us. Okay, so we already created a can for our previous video, that is what white inside up. So we will just do the modification on that video, or we will just do the modification about the same. We are going to make the reversal pattern the same, white inside up, that is the opposite pattern is nothing but black inside down. So that we are going to discuss here. And what is the candlestick pattern and how we are going to discuss, and let you share you that candlestick pattern what we are exactly going to right now. Okay, and what exactly we need, right? So let's go for that. First one, the first candle should be in green. Okay, so let's go for the first candle should be in green color. Okay, that is what we are expecting. The first candle should be green in color, that open, and the second candle, the wick is not important at this point, but the second candle opens between the body of this candle and must be closed below the low of this candle. So the second candle should be in red. So this was making a black inside out up. So where the market is open inside is moving outside. So that is what inside out down pattern. So that is we are expecting bearish reversal at the day high or even recent high level. So that is what the candlesticks we are created right now. So last video we created about white inside out. So and the first day should be green in color, right? So the first day should be green in color. That is what one day ago close is greater than one day ago open. So that simply says the first day should be a green in color, and the second day should be the red in color. So latest um, here, so something that is coming. First day where we are focusing a green candle, so that is what close is greater than the open. So that is simple, we finished it out. And the latest open is the second one, latest open greater than the close. Here latest open is less than, here less than one day ago close. Here this time the close will be higher side because the candle should be red in color one day ago. The latest open is less than one day ago open. Here the latest close is greater than one day ago open. So that these two lines will fetch the data where the candle, today's candle or the latest candle which is open in between previous day open and close. So that is the mean. And the latest close is greater than one day ago. The latest close, and that is what a today's candle close is less than one day ago open. Simple. So the same opposite we are following. The latest close is greater than latest open. So this is what a red candle, right? This is what a last we are expecting. Close is greater than open. That is a green candle. But this time, so we are going to the red candle. Today's candle should be red, less than the latest open. So today red candle which forms at the bottom. So we are, and one day ago high. So we are going to expect a high. Simple changes will make equal to monthly high. Hope you got it. How we created. Let's scan that and we'll check it out. First it is whether it is on daily basis something which forms 17th August. The stock is Scan Bank and VEDL. Let's go for a daily chart. We'll take a Canara Bank. Okay, where it is forms. I think this one, right? Exactly, it opened inside the previous day body and closed below that low. And whenever it breaks below the low of 151, now it is trading on the same range, 150, and it should be happen at recent high, and it is showing us the recent high it happened, right? So that is okay. And VEDL, the second one is Vedanta Limited, which forms big candle, even though once it is broken that level, 293, next within 2 days 260 is the, and the risk is big, 293 to 350, almost 50 points. So but the candlestick pattern which forms at the highest level that we are getting. So after finding out this kind of candlestick pattern, we should manually check whether this risk should be good or bad, so whether I'm going to take the trade or not, so that we are going to manually, right? And after any stocks which is in the 20th August, IRCTC and Lalpath, let's check it out. IRCTC, Lalpath, it out where it is forms on 20th August, forms the candlesticks exactly what we are expecting, that has broken the low of 2610. I think we are taken an entry by yesterday, and this is also giving you 261, there the market is coming by 31. So the risk for the trade is 2610, and the high is 2750, almost 140 rupees risk. So we avoid the risk by buying options or hedging with the futures. So we are teaching on our hedging lessons, hedging classes, and if you anyone interested, you can join just a second. So we are taking advanced options trading strategies where you are going to do some trades based on hedging, all the strategies where we are providing hedging basis, and you can get some good idea to take intraday and opportunities, and with the hedged risk reward ratio that we are teaching on our paid lesson. Anyone who ready to join my paid classes, you just confirm with my WhatsApp and you can get more detail about it. Okay, so let's move that. So that is another stock which gives you such a great opportunity, and Lalpath Lab is the second one. And let's go for a Lalpath Lab. What happened? Yes, yesterday it forms that kind of candle, but the risk is big, but no problem. So wherever this candlesticks pattern is formed, the rest is showing the trend reversal at the highest level, 4,834, 3,834, risk of 460, 200 points. Yesterday it broken, and 3768 is the low from somewhere around 38, and still it is trading in between the same level. So will the scanner will create, and it will find out those stocks which, and previously July 20th, after that we got some 4 stocks for August month. So we don't got a lot of stocks, and July 2nd some stock which is forms on July 4th, only stock SBIN, July 4th SBIN, not this month, it is forming by last month SBIN July 4th. So not August, so focus on July. I think this one, there it is, June, July, this one, right? And July 4th, got the candlesticks pattern. So after this candlesticks pattern, where the market is below 430 birds, somewhere around 400. So somewhere it is giving some 30 points from that high. That is what the reversal candlesticks pattern, which plays always a major role, where the market is going to reverse at the top or bottom. So that is what important. So that is what we are discussing here right now, and we will save the scanners. This is what not a white inside out of. So here black candles, that next black side out down on daily. This is what the daily candlesticks where we are creating now. So if you want to change that, so we will now, it is created, and we will again modify that for a 15 minutes. Let's check 10 minutes minus 1, in 15 minutes minus 1. So when we add, it's also be 15 minutes minus 1, it's also 15 minutes. So 1, so let us 15 minutes. This is what latest high. So yeah, in latest 50, latest 50. Hope you got it. Whatever what we are doing. And any stocks which forms. And today, August 24th, 9:45, someone is forming SRF. Let's check it out whether it is working. It means I equal to the latest high. So here minus 1 scan. Here we find out only one stock kind of pattern today. That is what SRF on 15 minutes time frame. SRF 15 minutes time frame. For that, what happened on that? That was working right or wrong. So I think this is 9:45. Yes, right. SRF which forms that kind of pattern at today, where it has broken that low 8983. Now it is trading 893470 plus 8985 to 9008. So somewhere around 100 points. Now it is moving because the large size and the value of the stock is moved 9000 rupees. So 100 points stop loss. And previous 10 points such a great opportunities, and one or two opportunities which present on yesterday, that is 9:45. We find out two stocks, UBL, Star, Goforge, three stocks. UBL yesterday 9:45. UBL, UBL. So UBL yesterday around 9:45. This is what the 9:45 yesterday. So we didn't get on any opportunity this candle. So we don't have any opportunity this candle. A star, and you see that yesterday there is a great movement from 607, market fall down to 500. There is a candlesticks pattern that is having more power. Go force yesterday again, that is also giving you such a profit. So where 1988 and it 1912. I hope this is also be the right one. So where we are going to plan a candlesticks pattern, that is a another candlesticks pattern, that is 2 days reversal pattern. So previously we discussed about single candlesticks reversal, and now this is two candlesticks reversal, and most of the time so find out this kind of candlestick pattern anywhere, but we are finding out that candle, so that was such a great opportunity on our intraday positional basis. So this scanner we are going to work on 15 minutes time. Okay, so let's sum it up. I hope this may be some useful video to you all, and if you are new to the channel, kindly make subscribe, get more update on intraday and post trading strategy. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you. If you like this video, you can share to your friends, and if you have any question, just comment on that. And someone who asking about yesterday how we can see bid ask spread. Whenever you see with option that what we say, that one depth of the market, right? So there itself we can identify, because we are seeing a lot of stocks on day by day, so we easily find out those stocks. For example, if I'm opening a NS India website, I'll share you some stocks. Now I'm going to take a Goforge. You are checking, that is what the bid ask spread. Now you see the 4918 is the current price and 919.9. So there is a difference between the bid price and the ask price is around 1.5 rupees. That is not a big deal. But if I'm going to take the option, Goforge, say 4900 is the current market price. If I'm going to take the 4900 call and put option, where you can see 75 is the buyer and 79 is the seller, and the second buyer should be 74 and the second seller should be 88. You can see there is a gap between the bid and ask price. So there is a big gap. So if I place a two lot at market price, one should be traded by 79 and another should be traded by 88. So there is a gap between the buyers and sellers, as well as bid ask spread is very big. So this is what option, that is trading as a ATM option, right? But ATM option itself doesn't have the good quantity, right? So that is why the spread is little bit higher than that. So this is why I'm saying you, those stocks which is trading the bid as, so first one 75, 74, and the second one is 66. If I want to sell somewhere around the three quantities, if I place a three lot at market price, one should be traded 74, 75, and then 66. There is a big gap between 75 to 66 or 74 to 66. And if I am going to buy immediately two lots, so one should be traded by 79, another one should be traded by 88. This is what we are saying, bid as spread between prices. But if I'm going to open some other stock, like I'm going to open, say for example, SBIN, SBIN. So let's go for opening SBI. So the August contract call option. What is the current market price of SBI? And this one is moving down. Go SBI. Current market price of SBIN is around 460. So now if the 415 strike price available, so I will open it. So 415 call option which I'm updating here, where you can see the price 4.4 and having good quantity 4.35, 4.3, 4.25 and 4.2. So every 5 paisa there is a buyer and seller. So 4.45, 50, 55, 60. So each and every paisa, so we have good quantity as well as the price is not moving, uh, gap between that next prices. So this is looks good quality option. So that is why we say sometimes if I buy at 4 rupees, I can sell at 4.45 or 4.5. So wherever I want, I can sell it. But if I like go for 75, if I buy, I can sell only by 66. The next price. If I already holding, the current one buyer is asking 75. The next one should be 66. There is a gap between the prices. So that is I'm saying you bid as spread. I hope this maybe you got clear. Now you check that this option evenly traded, right, and also having good volume, that is quantity. So most people are placing the orders, so you may not get a big slippages on that if you, even if you are placing a market orders. All right, so that is what we are explaining on our last video, the bid ask spread. That is what very important. All right, thanks for watching this video, and again this will also be the good video for you all, and thank you very much for this. Thank you. Time. Thanks for watching this.